Yes, this is on the way to Ubuntu Area. So we can come here this way. I'm already start working in Ubuntu Area. Yeah. So I didn't have a time to I didn't have a time to start the record to show you guys how the thing will going, how the thing is working. So this is Ubuntu Area. Yeah. So this place here is for fire. Yeah. And around the here we're going to put little rock and we'll put seat. And this was clean, believe it or not, this was clean, but the grass growing very fast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring here all the goats, rest them here, so they will do the job to clean it, because I already made clean. I made a fire here. I bring the machine. The machine was here clean this area, and this is the way you guys see now. Yeah. So I will now do it this way. So I will let the goat do what they love to do. Okay. Okay, my people. Love you, and I always will. I share